Is your fence leaning, wobbling, or even falling apart? Rotted or damaged fence posts aren't just an eyesore. They can make your entire fence unstable and even unsafe. Don't worry, fixing the issue might seem overwhelming, but with a little guidance, you can bring your fence back to life. Step 1. Preparation. Start by gathering everything you need. Tools like a shovel, gloves, a level, quick-set concrete, and, of course, a sturdy replacement post. Pro tip: use pressure-treated wood or metal for long-lasting results. Step 2. Remove the old post. Dig around the base to loosen it, and if there's any concrete footing, carefully break it apart and clear it out. This step is crucial for ensuring your new post is stable. Pro tip: if the old post is hard to remove, try using a jack for extra leverage. It'll save you time and effort. Step 3. Install the new post. Place it in the hole and adjust its position. Use a level to make sure it's perfectly straight. This will prevent any leaning later on. Step 4. Secure the post. Pour in quick-set concrete, add water, and mix it in place. It'll set within minutes, giving you a solid base. Check the alignment again as the concrete hardens to make sure everything stays in place. Step 5. Reattach your fence panels. Secure them tightly to the new post, and your fence will look and feel as good as new. Congratulations! With just a few simple steps, you've restored your fence's strength and appearance. Not ready to tackle this on your own? No problem. Our team of experts is here to help. Should you require professional help, you can contact us at this number or on our site at this link. See you next time.